Hello students, now we are going to continue with our series of developmental biology. Today's video we will be talking about basic terminologies. What is determination? What is determination? What is commitment? What is commitment? What is specification? What are the types of specification? That is conditional specification and autonomous specification and syncytial specification. These things we are going to see in this video. Okay. First, about what is commitment? Commitment is nothing but commitment. What is commitment? Basic English meaning for this term commitment. We are committed to do some work. We are committed to study CSIR exam. We are committed to get up early, that is 6 a.m. in the morning at least. We are committed to go to college daily. We are committed to write semester exam well. To write semester exam well, we are committed to study. We are committed to keep ourselves healthy. These are commitments. Basic things. Basic meaning. Basic English term. Same thing. Commitments in case of cell. Consider a stem cell. What is commitment for a stem cell? Deciding cell fate. So what is cell fate? Consider a stem cell inside a medium. The stem cell can become any different type of cell. If it is induce a signal to become heart cell. It can become heart cell to become nerve cell. It can be a nerve cell based on the signal. It can be instructive or it can be permissive. Based on the paracrine fact, we will be seeing all about instructive and permissive signaling. Based on the paracrine factors that the cell receive, it can give rise to any different type of cell. In case of nerve cell, it becomes nerve cell. The fate of the cell is to become a nerve cell. This is what the fate of cell. This is commitment. Meaning of commitment is deciding cell fate. What is cell fate? Is the final destination of the stem cell. Cell fate describe a range of different cell types a particular cell can give rise during normal development. Stem cell can give rise to many different heart cell, nerve cell, muscle cell, whatever, skeletal cell, whatever. So the final case of normal development, how the undifferentiated cell will proceed to reach its final success story, that is formation of some cell. This is called as cell fate. This is commitment. Okay. So are the basic terms. How commitment comes? How commitment can be attained? How commitment can be attained? By cytoplasmic determinants. By cytoplasmic determinants. By inductive signal. By cytoplasmic determinants by inductive signal. So what is inductive signal? We'll see. This is a stem cell. We are giving an instruction, that is inductive signal from outside. Inductive signal. We are asking the cell to become nerve cell. Okay. By giving signal from outside. This is called as inductive signal. Another one is cytoplasmic. Other one is cytoplasmic grade determinant. We will see about what is cytoplasmic. What is cytoplasmic determinant? Cytoplasmic determinant. Cytoplasmic factors such as mRNA and protein. What are cytoplasmic determinants? Cytoplasmic determinants are present inside the cytoplasm of the cell, especially in the ovum. When the sperm gets fuses, only the nucleus enters inside the ovum to get fertilized. Cytoplasmic determinants are present in the ovum. Cytoplasmic determinants can be protein. It can be other things as well. The cell after division, cytoplasmic determinants will not be same. Since it is not the nuclear material, it will not be equally divided. There will be unequal distribution. Of cytoplasmic determinant. Unequal distribution. There will be unequal distribution, okay, of these cytoplasmic determinants. Okay. This cytoplasmic determinants will have a role in deciding commitment. Will be unequally distributed and it is present in the cytoplasm, not in the nucleus. See about specification, that is conditional specification and autonomous specification. Conditional specification means consider a cell placed in the system which has a signal which receives the signal to form nerve cell. I induce this cell to form nerve cell. Hereby, I place a new cell from other medium. The commitment of this new cell is to become heart cell. I am placing the cell which attained the commitment of heart cell inside a medium that receives a nerve cell signal. What happens under conditional specification? As nature, this cell will become nerve cell. And this cell, which already attained the fate of heart cell, when it is placed in the medium that gives nerve cell, paracrine factors, mother cell from the medium. So this new blue cell will also give rise to nerve cell. That is, potency is greater than fate. Potency greater than fate. This conditionally specified cell, when placed in an appropriate environment, can give rise to any type of cell as per the instructions from the environment. This is called as conditional specification. What are the other things? Other characteristics of this conditional specification. It is regulative. It is called as regulative development. It can change in the fate according to the environment in which it is placed. Compensation of lost parts will occur. The cell is removed. If another cell can be induced to form to achieve that conditional, because it is conditional specification, compensation will occur. Fate not fixed. Fate not fixed. Potency is greater than fate. These are the case of conditional specification. Potency is greater than fate. Fate not fixed. When placed in a different environment, it can be induced to work as per the signals from the environment. It is regulative development. The cell is lost, it can be compensated. It is flexible to change its fate. It is regulative. This is called as regulative development. Okay. Next, about autonomous specification. What are autonomous specification? Potency is equal to fate. That is, if we consider a cell that has its fate signals, that produce signals to become heart cell. Okay. If we place a new cell that has a potency to give rise to nerve cell, when placed in the environment such that it receives signal from all sides to become heart cell, it will never attain the fate of becoming heart cell. Rather, it will only become nerve cell. This environment will become mosaic in nature. It has heart cell. Even though this green cell receives the specification to become heart cell, since it is already committed to become nerve cell, this will only undergo autonomous specification to become nerve cell. This is mosaic environment. Compensation of the lost parts will not occur. Cell fate fixed. Cell fate is fixed. And it is little determinative in nature. Till determine in nature. Okay. So in short, autonomous specification is mosaic in nature. Compensation of lost parts will not occur. Potency is equal to fate. Cell is already determined. This cannot be changed. Fate is fixed. These are the few characteristics of autonomous development. It is mosaic. So far we have studied about two different criteria under specification. The third thing is about syncytial specification. Syncytical specification. Syncytical specification. Eggs begin development as syncytium. Eggs begin development by syncytium, produces multiple nuclear division. nuclear division. This kind of syncytial specification is very evident in Drosophila. Is an example for this syncytial specification where this multiple nuclear division will take place. Okay, so far we have studied about commitment. So far in developmental biology we have read about potency, specification, types of specification, that is conditional, autonomous, syncytial. So there is a difference between specification and determination. In case of specification, if a cell is specified to become a nerve cell, it can revert back to its prior condition, or it can again be specified to become other condition. In case of determination, it is not liable for any change. The cell is once determined to become heart cell. That is the fate. It will only end up becoming heart cell. That is the difference between determination and specification. In determination, there is nothing. If you are determined to clear the CSIR exam, GATE exam, means you are determined. Your determination will help you to reach the goal, to reach the success point of clearing this exam with flying colors. You are determined. So this determination is giving rise to 100% complete fate. Major difference between these two terminology. Hope in developmental biology series we have been started with basic terms. We are doing terminologies now. Further on we will look into detail of it. We will dig into more detail. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful for people who prepare for this exam. Good day ahead. Have a good day. Bye.